Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log into Hulu with Spotify, step by step. If you're a Spotify Premium subscriber, you might have access to Hulu as part of a bundle. This guide will walk you through the process of signing up and logging in. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Hulu sign-up page through Spotify. You can find the link in the description below. Make sure you're using a browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. On the page that appears, you'll see two options. I am new to Hulu, and I already have a Hulu account. If you don't have a Hulu account, click on I am new to Hulu. This will start the process of creating a Hulu account linked to your Spotify subscription. Step 3. After selecting I am new to Hulu, you'll be redirected to the Spotify login page. Enter your Spotify email or username and password. Make sure you use the same credentials as your Spotify Premium account. Step 4. Once you've successfully logged into your Spotify account, you'll be automatically signed into Hulu. Your accounts will now be linked, and you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hulu right away. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Hulu with Spotify. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.